Hey guys, it's VerityBox here, and today we are playing Rocket Fuel Jailbreak Update. I'm going to be leaving some tips and some hints on where things are, how you can do stuff, if stuff in the future is going to be added in. And as I said last video, if you want me to play a game that you want to that you like to play, or that you want me to see me play, just leave it in the comments and I'll play it. So, I'm in with the Banshee 156 here. Banshee, where are you?
I'm on the radio tower.
Okay, we have to go to the radio tower to go meet the Banshee. Let's go. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. So let's get over to the radio tower. Jailbreak. Oh, home sweet home. If you're having a good day, pop a like on the video. If you love Jailbreak, pop a like on the video. And if you're a doodle banger, please don't kill me. Okay, I have mobile garage. Let's get over to the radio tower for the first. Hold on, this guy's being a jerk. Don't be a doodle banger, as Landon RB says. Okay, let's get over to the radio tower. If you guys want to know where binoculars are, I personally think the binoculars in the prison and in the police station are quite glitchy. I feel like the radio, if you go to the one I'm about to show you, the place that I'm going to show you where I normally get it from, I feel like it's less glitchy. So if you want to try it out, it might not be as glitchy for you. It's not as glitchy for me, and I'm using an iMac. And if you're on mobile devices, binoculars don't work that well. You might be able to just see that side of your head. There's a jewelry store robbery going on. Let's quickly get over to the top of this radio tower. Oh, and by the way, if you're trying to find a flashlight... Oh, you're in the satellite dish? If you're trying to find a flashlight that's without having to get a key card, there's one right here at the bottom of the radio tower. And if you climb up the radio tower, they finally made a use of this, and guess what's at the top? Binoculars! Oh, sorry about that, I just fell off the radio tower without taking damage. That was funny. If you guys can, please send me safes. It would show your support greatly, and I'd love it. So the binoculars spawn right up here. You can pick it up by clicking on it, hold them, zoom into first person for the best quality, and you can look around. It quite magnifies it really a lot. It works the best in daytime, and like you don't know if there's a cop, you can just like zoom in and see if it's a cop. And that's my Bugatti from earlier today. The Banshee 156 is up there. We got the location messed up. I'm gonna go over to her now and say what she has to say. Ah, jeez. I fell off the radio tower again. Wait, what? Why did I just teleport, Nama? Oh, sorry. I accidentally said your name. Banshee, where are you?
I'm on the radio tower dish thing.
The satellite dish?
Yep.
Okay, this is gonna be a little bit hard for me. I'm gonna probably go get a helicopter quickly. Oh, 'cause there's no helicopter there. Oh yeah, there is. Jump. Get the helicopter. Customize it. Lock it. Drop down. Hey guys, this is Banshee 156. Banshee, what do you have to say for yourself? Come over here. $2,000 paycheck. That's one great thing that they added in. Police teams don't get $500 paycheck anymore. They get $2,000 paycheck. Hey guys, let's see if anybody has to say anything to YouTube from chat. Hey guys, anything you want to say do YouTube YouTube. I am recording YouTube. Tube. Sure. I'm gonna give this to my sister. Emma, don't call me that on camera, please. How much do you need? You need 1,000. There you go. Anybody want to say anything to YouTube? To YouTube. You. I am recording. Yeah.
7, 8 minutes till shutdown, and then you need to make your own lunches.
Why till shutdown? Ah. Okay, let's get over to the train. If you guys don't know how to rob it, you get on top of the cart, open it, and sometimes if it starts glitching, crawl on top of the cart so it doesn't glitch you when you're opening it. Then you can fall through, stand back up, open the vault, and everything. So, eventually, let's go drop this helicopter off by prison, and then we shall be prisoners. And lightning just struck the water. If you guys want to see a new Easter egg that they added, if you guys remember the icebergs, the flag in it, they made it so it's now floating in the water. I don't know if it's going to do something soon, if it's going to be just like as a fun Easter egg, if it might be able to be picked up soon. Don't know, but Asmos... Oh, but about the rocket fuel. If it says that you have to pay Robux for it, but Asimo said that he'll be trying to make it a little bit less OP and make it so that every player, including people who don't have the VIP pass and people who don't have Robux to spend, 99 Robux to spend whenever they want to refuel their tank, he's gonna give it daily reward, like probably around like 50 or so. Alma, come to yard. I'm gonna leave without you. You don't have 2 seconds. Okay, so let's try getting a key card from somebody here. Pickpocket. Got it. Go. Where are you? Banshee! Come on, I have 4 helicopters chasing me. I need some help here. I have a key card. Okay, hold on. I'm just picking up Banshee here. Here, get in, dude. Anything you want to say to YouTube? Hey, let's see if he responds to anything. Alma, where are you?
I put my stuff in my...
What do you want to say? I am recording. What do you want to say? I'm recording.
I've got glitch on there,
Really?
What did you do that for? I didn't try to do it.
Come on, Elmo. Yeah, I am. Search. My channel is Verdi Blocks Gaming. Verdi Blocks as one word, then gaming. Get in. Get in. Say something to you to listen to you to Okay, let's get over here. Oh no, it actually let you say it? It won't let me say that at all. It hashtags me.
That dude got that me.
Yeah.
This week's newsletter is dedicated to Shai Schwartzberg, my experience in honor of bar mitzvah. Follow me on YouTube at
Verdi Blocks Gaming. Get in. I'm gonna leave without you guys. Get. Now I'm unlocking the helicopter. What? I'm gonna be making a video, yeah. No! I got flung, Mama. Did you get on the train? Why is it? You said that 7 minutes! It's not 7 minutes, I have 2 minutes left! Why is it our helicopter doing slow-mo flips in midair? Who wants to say something to you slash me, you to slash me who asks, who wants a shout out. And we have 1 minute left. Slash me. Slash me who wants, now come on. A shout out. Get in, Elmo. And a year now. Shout out to there on the hunter. Okay. You got a shout out.